What if everything we thought we knew about aging was wrong? What if wrinkles, failing memory, and aching joints weren't inevitable parts of life but problems we could actually fix? For the first time in history, scientists aren't just studying how to slow down aging, they're exploring how to reverse it. And what they're discovering could change what it means to grow old. Aging has always been seen as an unstoppable force. Our bodies wear down over time, cells accumulate damage, and eventually, our organs just don't work like they used to. But what if that damage could be repaired? What if we could reset our biological clocks? That's exactly what researchers around the world are trying to figure out, and the science behind it is more exciting than you might think. One of the biggest breakthroughs in aging research involves something called senescent cells. These are cells that have stopped dividing but don't die like they should. Instead, they stick around, releasing harmful chemicals that cause inflammation and damage nearby healthy cells. The more senescent cells we have, the faster we seem to age. But scientists have found a way to clear them out. In experiments with mice, removing these zombie cells extended their lifespans and kept them healthier for longer. Now, drugs designed to target senescent cells called senolytics are being tested in humans. If they work, we could see treatments that don't just slow aging but actually roll back some of its effects. Then there's the mystery of telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes. Every time a cell divides, these telomeres get a little shorter. When they become too short, the cell can no longer divide properly, leading to aging and disease. But here's where it gets interesting. An enzyme called telomerase can actually rebuild telomeres, effectively giving cells a longer lifespan. The problem? Cancer cells also use telomerase to grow uncontrollably, so scientists are now trying to find a way to boost telomerase in healthy cells without fueling cancer. If they succeed, it could lead to therapies that keep our cells young and functional for much longer. Another fascinating area of research is metabolic manipulation, changing how our bodies process energy to slow down aging. Studies have shown that animals on calorie-restricted diets live longer and stay healthier. This isn't about starvation. It's about eating just enough to activate cellular repair processes without malnutrition. Scientists believe this works by triggering genes that enhance cell maintenance and reduce inflammation. Now, researchers are developing drugs that mimic these effects, meaning we might one day get the benefits of calorie restriction without actually having to eat less. Imagine a pill that could trick your body into thinking it's fasting, keeping you healthier for longer. But the most mind-blowing discovery is that aging might not be a one-way street. In recent experiments, scientists have used a combination of genes and chemicals to reprogram old cells, making them behave like young ones again. In one study, elderly mice given this treatment regrew muscle, healed faster, and even had younger-looking organs. This suggests that aging isn't just about damage piling up, it might be a process we can reset. If this works in humans, we could see therapies that don't just delay aging but actually reverse it, turning back the clock on our cells. Of course, we're not there yet. Aging is incredibly complex, and what works in mice doesn't always translate to humans, but the progress is real. Major research labs, biotech companies, and even Silicon Valley billionaires are investing heavily in anti-aging science. Clinical trials are already underway for some of these therapies, and while we don't yet have a magic pill for eternal youth, the first generation of genuine anti-aging treatments could be closer than we think. So what does this mean for the future? If you're young today, you might live in a world where 100 is the new 60, where people stay active, sharp, and healthy well into old age. If you're older, treatments that slow or even reverse aging might arrive in time to make a difference in your life. Either way, the idea of growing old is being redefined right before our eyes. The question isn't just how long we'll live, but how well. The race to conquer aging is one of the most exciting frontiers in science, and for the first time, it looks like we might actually have a shot at winning. So the next time you notice a gray hair or feel a little stiffer than usual, remember, science is working on it, and the future of aging might be nothing like the past.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.